Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Octogeddon on mobile. The original, acclaimed game is not natively available on phones or tablets. However, there is one primary method to enjoy the full PC experience on your mobile device. This involves using a specialized cloud PC streaming service, which essentially gives you a virtual computer in the cloud. You can then access this powerful machine directly from your smartphone or tablet, bringing the complete game to you. To begin, you will need to select a reputable cloud PC service. These services provide you with a dedicated virtual Windows computer. After subscribing to a suitable plan, you will set up your personal cloud machine. Once your virtual desktop is ready, the next crucial step is to install the Steam application, just as you would on a physical computer. This allows you to access your purchased Octogeddon game. With your cloud PC configured, download the service's dedicated application onto your mobile device, whether it is an Android phone or an Apple iPhone. Connect to your virtual desktop through this app, then simply launch Steam and start Octogeddon. For optimal control and immersion, we highly recommend pairing a Bluetooth gaming controller with your mobile device. This setup provides a seamless and enjoyable gaming session, just like playing on a desktop. While streaming the PC version is the only way to play the original Octogeddon on mobile, you might encounter other applications on app stores. These are often labeled as Octogeddon Simulator or similar titles. It is important to understand that these are generally unofficial games, developed independently, and do not offer the same experience as the original PC game. Their gameplay mechanics and visual presentation will likely differ significantly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.